Miss, can you first tell us your name before we straight into the questions?
My name is Venisia, and right now I'm currently residing in K.Venisia.
Thank you. And today, because of a horrendous and an inhuman action of the Métis people to our Kuki women, our fellow Kuki women, what first came to your mind when you heard of this very rude and after this viral of this true Kuki woman paraded naked in broad daylight by Métis mob? Can you tell us your opinion about this?
To be honest with you, the first thing that comes to mind after seeing the video is that there must have been similar cases which is similar to the ones that are happening right now. But then it's really saddening and heartbreaking to know that it took the police a good 77 days to file a complaint. The women actually went to file a complaint, but they were denied justice. And in fact, the police were the ones who handed over the two girls back to the mob. And that's very disheartening to hear it, because police should be our safe place, but in this case it's not, and we really condemn the Manipur police force for doing such things, and we really condemn the state government as well.
Then I want to ask you one more question. Do you think the horrible crime against our true Kuki women, sisters in Manipur could have been prevented?
Yeah, as we all know, this ethnic conflict has been going on in Manipur since the 1970s, but talking about the instant case, this has been going on since July. It's been 2 months. So obviously I think the government could have done something about it if it wanted to, but it didn't do so. So we condemn the state government, and also we demand the restoration of peace and security for our tribal people and also the women back in Manipur.
Thank you.